Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful neon light effect on a text. As you see, there is a dotted text and a black background. So I use a font family for this dotted text. And before starting this video, I will request you guys that please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So okay guys, let's get started. First of all, I have HTML file. First of all, I am taking one container, and after that I am taking one row, and inside the row I am taking one class of neon, 12 columns, and inside this neon class I am taking one heading of h1, and I am going to emphasize this text, so I am taking emph, and inside that I am taking our heading, that is filling blue. So okay guys, this is our heading and this is just our HTML, and here I'm going to design this neon text effect inside the head with the style tag. Inside the style tag, first of all I am taking the body. I'm going to design the body. The display will be flex, and justify content is center, and align item will be center, and I am using the background here, that will be black. And after that, here for this dotted text I used a font family of Codestar. I take this font family from Google Font website. And I am searching the Codestar. I am taking this one, and you just need to copy this and paste in your CSS file inside the style sheet, and copy this and paste it right inside the body tag. So after that I am going to design the neon class, and I am giving margin top of 10 rem, and text align will be centered. And after that I am going to design the neon heading, that is inside the neon class of h1. Right here our font size will be 9 rem, and text align will be centered, and the font weight will be bold. After that I am taking some animation for this. I am taking animation for the text, that is going to blue, glow and gray color. For that, first of all I am taking the WebKit animation, that will be glow for 2 seconds, and ease in out. I'm going to use ease in out. And this animation will be for infinite. And I am going to copy this all for the Mozilla. And after that I am taking a WebKit keyframes that the name of the animation is glow, and this will be from and to. So first of all I am taking from, and the color of the text will be white first. And after that I am taking the text shadow, that is actually our neon effect on the text, and the neon effect is the combination of different colors. First of all I am taking 0 and 10 pixel, and after that I am taking the color, this color, and after that I am taking 20 pixel of color, 2 3F and 2, and after that I am taking 30 pixels of the same color, and after that I am taking 40 pixel of the same color, and then I am going to take 50 pixel for the same color, and after that I am taking 60 pixel for the same color, and after that I am taking 70 pixel for the same color, and after that I'm going to take after 70 I'm taking 90 pixel with the same color. So this is our from part, and after that I am going to design our to part, from to, and the color will be gray. As you see in the background the color will be gray, and the text shadow will be same. And the text shadow will be same like this one. I'm just copying this and paste it right here. I'm just changing the 90 pixels before the 90, like 1 pixel, and everything will be the same. So let me see the output for this animation. Look, as you can see, this is very beautifully designed, our animation, and this is just by using our text shadows of color combinations, as you can see here. And this is the font family that I used for the dotted text. So okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.